What's up, guys? It's EshaDee. We gonna get this right. I'm gonna let my brother play first. I feel like a nice call, I'm giving them their best. But you better be receptive. I know you feeling round low, your position they respect it. Your power not rejected. Your brain got affected. They stole your possessions. You gave up your essence. Now it's time to correct. Attention. It's a mission that fits our description. Studio says you feel like a life lesson. You know that it was written. That's my brother, Dr. Carr on YouTube. Kalo Black on the music, on the beat, and on the keys. My brothers. So yes, today, guys, we're going to talk about Gnosis. All right. Gnosis basically means knowledge of spiritual mysteries. This is definition online. It's a dictionary definition. Knowledge of spiritual mysteries. The origin of Gnosis is Greek, and the word is gnosis, meaning knowledge, related to gignoskian, meaning to know. So, Gnosis is basically the knowledge of the divine, knowledge of thyself, knowledge of the world, knowledge of nature, and knowledge of the great work, aka the great arcanum, aka magnum opus. I know all of us have heard that latter one. And the knowledge of all these things, those 5 things I just listed, leads to gnosis cardias, which is the knowledge of the heart. The intuitive spiritual knowledge that comes with knowing thyself and thy spirit. That's what gnosis is. And intuition basically means memory. I got all this information off of Gnostic Warrior. I think they're GnosticWarrior.com. But you could search for Gnostic Warrior and their website will come up. So yes, all learning is remembering. All learning is remembering. Again, intuition is memory. So instead of just being like a gut feeling alone and, oh, my intuition or my higher self can see what's coming, it's more like my higher self can remember, hey, we did that before and that's what's going to happen, So, and now, of course, there are instances where our higher self will see things, you know what I'm saying, some new stuff that's coming and we will get the warning, So yes, definitely a possibility. All right, so the Valentinian Gnostic expression goes as follows. What makes us free is the knowledge, aka gnosis, of who we are, what we have become, where we were, where we have been cast, where to we are hastening, meaning holding on to, what we are being freed of, what birth really is, and what rebirth really is. So if you're trying to get on this knowledge train, those are the questions that you're going to be wanting to ask yourself, and yourself will definitely give you those answers. Yourself, nature, and everyone that is one with you. So, yes, the end result of gaining all this knowledge, this gnosis, is henosis, meaning oneness, union, or unity. Quotes, human harmony, end quotes, aka inner peace. That's henosis, which is the end result of all this gnosis that we're getting. Okay? Basically, henosis is the marriage of the divine feminine and the divine masculine united in holy matrimony. There's a word, holy, with HOLY, but we are getting to know the English language a little better now. Actually, language period, a little better now. So we're not going to continue to speak the way that the Christians taught us. So I put up the W because that is the word, WHOLY, holy, whole, one. We are complete. You know what I'm saying? The unification of the soul as Lord of the material body in which only the divine will of the heart will lead us down our paths and through our lives. So that's a Gnosis, and that is the end result of the Gnosis, the knowledge that we gain when we start to wake up. So, yes, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you. I wish all continue to be well with you and y'all be at peace. Ashe. That means the power to change. So when I say that to you, or anyone says that to you, that means you have the power to change. You good, mommy? Thank you. Y'all got the power to change. You straight. Y'all straight. I love you, shorty. Have a good night. And y'all have a good night too. Good night.